Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast on the MS Rotterdam ship with Holland America or Holland America Line. This is an Oceanview room, compliments of Wynn Las Vegas from a now expired tier match. Moving into the main room, see a desk upon approaching, proper desk for a laptop, lots of outlets, nice to see, large mirror. To the right of the desk is a couch, not as well of a lighted area, but see a nice couch. Looks like light vests up ahead and what appears to be an extra blanket. Some art on the wall as well, and maybe a little shelf behind the couch. Side table, perhaps for food or drink with my camera equipment. Nightstand, 2 beds separated, here with a guest, Mandy. A reading light and lights above the bed. See a USB-A connector and an American plug. No need for a converter here. 2 separate beds set up with a nightstand in the middle. Television central to the room. Moving to the desk, see Effie, one of the jewelers on board, Shirley. $150 onboard credit, compliments of Wynn Casino loyalty, so that's $250 credits. Complimentary cocktail for the meet and greet, Mariner cocktail they're calling it. Terms and conditions, elite beverage package as part of the You Have It All package. Opted into the package, not mainly for the drinks, but for the Wi-Fi and gratuities I believe were included. Going to Norway, seeing Fjords. Fjord, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, Ailsund, Norway, Nordfjordeid, and Bergen, Norway. See a minibar menu, the usual trap. They want you to pay for snacks and drinks, even water. Pretty lame. Virgin Voyages had the complimentary water at least, some glassware up top. See some space here. Some towels, extra sheets, a safe, and a mini fridge included. Down below, some storage area. Seems like ample storage for 2 people. A bigger closet on this side as well. Coming back to the room, getting a view. This is indeed the Oceanview room. Still parked as I'm taking this video soon after getting on the ship. Luggage should be on the way, but I made sure to bring my camera in case the luggage takes some time. See some of the boats going by. Get another view of the room from the back. There's also a sliding curtain here. Nice deal here, complimentary with a Wynn Las Vegas tier match. Spacious room. This might otherwise cost around €1,500 per person. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from the MS Rotterdam.